In today's video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to add a button on Weebly, and we'll get it done in just 5 minutes. Whether you're trying to enhance navigation on your site or make your call to action pop, adding buttons is a great way to guide your visitors where you want them to go. Let's get started. First, we're going to navigate over to Square's website and sign into your account. Square offers free appointment scheduling software and a handy booking app, which integrates seamlessly with Weebly, making it a powerful tool for small businesses and entrepreneurs who want to manage bookings efficiently while maintaining a sleek website. So open up your browser and type in the URL. Once you find yourself on the Square site, look for the Sign In button. You'll recognize it as it's prominently displayed, making access quick and easy. With your credentials handy, sign into your Square account. If you've forgotten any login details, don't fret, you can recover your account using your registered email. Now that you're signed in, you'll arrive at the Square dashboard. This dashboard is your command center, displaying all the essential tools and analytics that Square offers. But today we're focused on our Weebly site. Once inside the Square dashboard, locate the access to your Weebly site by navigating to the Overview section. If you've got multiple sites, ensure you're selecting the right one. Click on Edit Site, and this will bring up Weebly's editor where all the magic happens. Here, you can see all the elements that make up your website. A simple drag and drop interface makes tweaking your site's design a breeze, and it's where we'll be adding our button. Now look towards the left sidebar where you'll see different widget options. Search for the option labeled Buttons. This is what we need to add our new element. Clicking on it will allow you to drag the button onto your desired section of your web page. Place it prominently if you're using it for a call to action, like encouraging visitors to sign up for a newsletter or navigate users to important content. Once the button is placed, you'll be able to customize it. Weebly lets you adjust the text, size, style, and color to match your site's theme or stand out as needed. In the button settings, you'll be able to link this button to any page, document, or external site, depending on the destination you want your site visitors to reach. Make sure to save your work frequently throughout this process to avoid losing changes. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a button to your Weebly site, enhancing functionality and visual appeal in just a few simple steps. Take a moment to explore further customization options so your button truly aligns with your site's aesthetics and purpose. Thanks for joining me today, and happy editing.